Paris is a multi-layered city and it's big. Quick trips are fine, but be forewarned, they may not satisfy, and you'll likely come back.
Second time in Paris was definitely a deeper dive, mainly because I just spent more time here. It really allowed me, I think, to really get to know Paris on a level that I can now say I'm somewhat familiar with it, and I don't know, just have deeper memories.
I found the tired old trope that Parisians are rude to tourists false.
One of the takeaways that I have from the trip is just the friendliness of the Parisian people. Definitely do not live up to the stereotypes. I don't know how long that stereotype's been around, but to me, it's outdated. And I think anybody that comes here would find that with a little bit of effort of just talking to people and being friendly and gracious, you're gonna get that in return tenfold.
And if your French is failing, don't despair. You can still parlez-vous Paris just fine.
You know, do you need to speak French? Absolutely not. You just need a few key words to introduce yourself, to let them know that you don't speak French. Generally speaking, that's all you need, because most people do speak a little bit of English and you'll get by just fine.
Blissfully, the food, pace of life, and architecture are just as good as advertised.
The food, of course, is excellent. The culture, the pace of life is just fantastic. And there's a lot to see, so it's one of those cities that you're not gonna get it all in, most likely on your first trip. Certainly not gonna get it in a week or two. It's just not that kind of city. There's layer upon layer upon layer, and there's a lot of stuff to do. So rather than try to kill yourself and just see Paris in some kind of breakneck whirlwind trip, do like I did this time. Take your time, get to know it. I still have plenty more to do when I want to come back to Paris, but now that I feel like I have this kind of base knowledge, it's just going to make rediscovering it even sweeter. So I'm really excited and gratified, actually, that I came here and that I had the experience I did, because it's one of the sweetest trips I've ever had.